6 ways to get rid of bad breath. 1. Brush your teeth at least 2 times each day. 2. Avoid onion and garlic before going out of work or see friends. 3. Smelly bacteria generally present on your tongue, so cleaning your tongue will help a lot. 4. Bacteria gathers at the base of teeth, so keep a check on your gums. Clean regularly, especially after eating something. 5. Rinse your mouth with mouthwash. It adds extra protection on your teeth. 6. Smoking not only causes cancer but it also affects your gums. Stain your teeth and results in bad breath problems. If you like this video, hit the like button and share this to your friends. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.